Let's see how to remove the header in your Wix website. Removing the header in Wix can be useful for creating landing pages or specific sections where you want a clean, distraction-free layout. And in this tutorial, we'll go through a simple step-by-step process to remove the header using the Wix editor. Take a note, Wix does not allow the removal of the header alone. You can only remove both the header and the footer together on a specific page. So, step 1, log into your Wix account first on the browser. Once you're in, click Design Your Website. On the left-hand panel, click on the Menus and Pages. In the left-hand panel, you'll see the Pages and Menus and click it. Hover over the page you wanted to remove the header and footer. For example, I wanted to remove the header and the footer of my resume. So I'll click it and then click the three dots and then click Settings and then go to Layout. After that, click the No Header and Footer. After that, you should click outside the panel so it would save. And there you have it. You have already removed the header as well as the footer of your page. And then click Publish. And then View Site. One of the additional considerations is removing the header and the footer will also remove the site menu and any elements set to the display on pages. Ensure that you provide alternative navigation options if necessary. This change applies only to the specific page you edited. Other pages will retain their headers and footers. That's how you remove the header in your Wix website. See you soon!